If you're interested in the top 5 model airplanes, then this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Get ready to soar through the skies with the Answer Remote Control Plane RTF F-22 Raptor. This sleek and powerful jet fighter is perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. With its 6-axis gyroscope automatic stabilization system, even novice pilots can enjoy a smooth and controlled flight. The F-22 Raptor can reach a staggering control distance of 400 feet, thanks to its durable high-speed coreless motor that provides strong power and self-stability during flight. Made from lightweight EPP foam, this plane is not only solid and collision-resistant but also capable of gliding over water. The built-in steel pipe ensures durability and prevents easy breakage. To add a touch of excitement, the F-22 Raptor is equipped with LED night lights that create a stunning light show in the night sky while providing clear visibility during night flights. With its long-lasting 3.7V 250 mAh-3 high-density lithium battery, you can enjoy extended flying sessions and engage in thrilling aerial races with friends and family. Take to the skies with the Answer F-22 Raptor and experience the thrill of remote control aviation at its finest. Looking for the perfect gift for a young motorsport enthusiast? Look no further than the LEGO Technic Bugatti Bolide. This buildable model race car set is not only a fun toy, but it also introduces kids ages 9 and up to the world of engineering and construction. With its stunning design inspired by the iconic Bugatti Bolide, this LEGO Technic kit will captivate the imagination of any young builder. The yellow and black color theme and detailed stickers make this car model a visually striking piece to display in kids' rooms. But it's not just about looks, this Bugatti toy also features authentic features like a working W16 engine, steering, scissor doors, and realistic movement based on the original car model. Let your kids explore innovative motorsport technology while having hours of fun building this impressive LEGO Technic Bugatti Bolide. Looking for a beginner-friendly RC plane that's ready to fly right out of the box? Look no further than the Volantex RC BF-109. Equipped with the Spilot stabilization system, this RC airplane offers ultra-stable flight and easy control, making it perfect for beginners and adults alike. With its powerful motor system and aerobatic capabilities, you can take your flying skills to new heights. The 3-level flight control assists allow you to gradually learn to fly at your own pace. Take this plane on outdoor adventures with its impressive 2.4 GHz radio control distance of 656 feet and strong anti-interference capability. Plus, with the gearbox system ensuring more thrust and power, you can enjoy longer flying sessions of up to 20 minutes. The Volantex RC BF-109 comes fully assembled and ready to fly in just 1 minute out of the box, making it incredibly convenient. It's the perfect companion for all your RC flying adventures. Looking for a fun and educational toy for your little ones? Look no further than the GAE airplane toy. Made of safe and durable metal alloy material, this toy is built to last. It has been tested and certified to meet safety standards, giving you peace of mind. What sets this toy apart is the high simulation LED lights design. With working front wheels and smooth surface, the fighter jet comes to life with authentic detail. Simply press the front wheel and watch as the front and back LED lights flash while action sounds play. Your children will be amazed. Not only is this toy entertaining, but it also promotes learning. It helps develop motor control skills and coordination while providing creative and active playtime. It even contributes to brain development, giving your little ones the gift of delight and thrill. The pullback action adds an extra element of fun. No batteries are needed, simply pull back the fighter jet plane and watch it race across the floor. Its compact size makes it perfect for small hands, helping to improve your child's grip. This airplane toy also makes a great gift for various occasions. It's perfect for schools, party favors, stocking stuffers, office displays, and much more. You can even proudly display it at home or in your child's bedroom or playroom. With its safe materials, high simulation features, educational value, and versatility as a gift, the GAE Airplane toy ticks all the boxes for both kids and parents alike. Get ready for hours of fun-filled excitement. If you're looking for the perfect gift for a young aviation enthusiast, look no further than the STEM Building Toys Model Airplane Kit. This kit allows kids aged 8 to 12 to construct their own replica of the Hurricane Fighter, a legendary aircraft from World War II. With a scale of 1/32, the finished model measures over 4.7 high, 13 long, and 15.7 wide, making it larger and more impressive than expected. What sets this kit apart is its metal construction. Made of rust-resistant metal, each of the 331 parts and pieces are durable and sturdy, ensuring that the finished model will last for years to come. The kit includes nuts, bolts, a small screwdriver, and a wrench, providing everything needed for assembly. Don't worry about complicated instructions either. The included manual provides clear diagrams for each step, making it easy for kids to understand and follow along. Assembling the model not only promotes STEM education but also helps children exercise their brains, unleash their imagination, and cultivate patience. The process takes approximately 5 hours, but will be an enjoyable and rewarding experience. Designed with accuracy and meticulous attention to detail, this metal model airplane kit perfectly preserves the complex internal structure of the Hurricane Fighter jet. It's not only an excellent learning tool, but also a valuable collection and souvenir for model aircraft enthusiasts. Give the gift of creativity, engineering skills, and historical appreciation with the STEM Building Toys Model Airplane Kit. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 model airplanes and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.